Hi everyone, it's Daniela and welcome back to my channel. I have two things from Peachy Cheap to share with you. One I got like a week or so ago and I just didn't have the time, and then this one I just got. So let me I love Peachy Cheap, but the thing with Peach I find is that sometimes the deals are like, what? They're so good. And other times I'm like, I'm not spending that much money on that, whatever it'll be. So I don't do a lot of Peachy Cheap hauls because I don't order a lot because as cheap as they're supposed to be, sometimes they just don't seem to be. So anyway, I will show you. First, I bought this, and I don't remember how much it was, but I remember I bought it. No, only kidding, I really don't remember what it was, but what I really thought was cool was that, first of all, the spring farmhouse paper is so beautiful. When is Prima paper not beautiful, should be the question. But it's 8 by 8, and they definitely don't put out enough 8 by 8 pads. You can make an actual album out of an 8 by 8, you know. So, what we got here? How many of each sheet? 6 double-sided designs, 5 of each. And you know, if you know Prima, they're all so pretty. So you can cut this apart if you want, or just like the collage look. And as you can see on the back, it's just like, I don't know, postmarks, tickets, alphabets, you know, awesomeness. And then these really pretty butterfly, beautiful life, home, stuffing, like that. And these guys also very good for cut apart. These better than the first. And get past these guys. And then once again, another more collage than cut apart with this pattern on the back. It's a cross stitch. Love cross stitch. Haven't done it in a long time. And these little bunnies with flowers, and then that's the background. Maybe you guys have all seen this. Eek! Look how cute these little pictures are. Look at that. Flowers on. That's a pig, so I guess it's a cow. I'm looking upside down. Again, these are good for cut aparts. These are actual cut aparts. And the beautiful plaid, another collage type paper. Is that it? Yes. So an 8 by 8 pad. 2 things of ephemera, which I don't understand. One is regular, I think. One is well, I guess they're just 2 regulars. I didn't know if one of them was acetate, but that's definitely not acetate. So there's just a lot of fun pieces. It's sunny outside. Isn't that a nice thing? I'm sure you all know how it is when the seasons change. You never know how to fix your lighting. And these are really cool. These are called wood spools. I mean, I guess it's top of a spool because it's not like, I don't know, they almost more look like you had a stick and you cut pieces off of it. But look how cool. Fresh, blessed, farm fresh. Beautiful always, farmer's market. They're super fun. I don't know what to do with them, but I'm going to have fun playing with them. And these pretty flowers. So I thought this was a wonderful, very comprehensive collection. I'm sorry I don't remember the price, but I doubt it was more than $15 because normally I will not buy anything if it's more than $15. Even though I could see myself almost spending more than that on that. And then next is And again, I'm sorry, I don't remember what I paid. That's another thing too. Don't they seem to take a long time to ship? Or is it just me? I'd believe it if you said, no, it's just you. I would believe it. Totally. So I move everybody around so everybody can fit. Just here, I don't remember how many packs were in here, but I was, you know, I make books and things, and I was running out of tags to put in my books and stuff. So this is a pack of, I have to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packs, and I don't know if it's true, but it was like 100 tags. Might be less, might be, I don't know. I'm not going to count them. So here are some watercolor tags. Awesome. A little stamp, a little ephemera piece. This is beautiful. Always add a bow. So we got that one. This one I've gotten before also. Comes with the twine. And I just think that they're super cute. There's letterpress tags. Not sure why, but okay. And then these are, they seem thick. No, I guess not. I guess they're just craft tags. And these are feather with the string, and other feathers with string. These are colored feathers. And these are so pretty with the black and the gold. Huh, that looks like it's a little funky. I don't know. You tell me. And then these are nice. They have all different colors on them. Oh, look. And they all come with the twine. I like that a lot. I hate trying to find twine and stuff. Trying to get these bigger ones. These are bigger. Nice ovals, again, with the rope, twine, whatever you want to call it. And these are chipboard. They're thick. They're only 6. Only, but good. Lace tags. They're white. Those were the colors. These are the lace. These are vellum tags. Love that. And these are some glitter tags. And that's it. So that is what I've got to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And there's so many things to share with you and finish and do and so I'll be back again really soon. And thank you so much for your sweet comments. They mean so much to me. You're all the most awesome people I have ever had the pleasure of knowing, and I thank you all. So you know that you're awesome. Stay awesome. Bye.